But then, I'm curious that if we map this sort of a thinking to a broader enterprise B2B technology space, what is then your litmus test for any enterprise AI technology deployment? And my next follow-up question would then be, does ChatGPT pass or fail this test of yours?
Yeah, I mean, the test that you're talking about for me, I mean, in the domain of AI would be Turing test. In a public domain, I guess ChatGPT would be able to convince a person sitting next on the screen that maybe it's a human because of the conversation that it's doing. But for me, in the enterprise space, my Turing test is more than just convincing me that I'm talking to an agent, right? It's about respecting the 5 platforms, the 5 pillars that we have, and making sure that the enterprise space restrictions and the vulnerabilities are respected, right? It has to be secure. I mean, the data that I'm training on can't be really told to other customer, right? You have to respect the privacy. You have to respect what you're showing. You can't limit the model's training to a certain level that, hey, our model was trained in last year and we can't really serve the real-time knowledge that's sitting there. Your model should be able to explain. And that's one of the issues with the models, like the bigger models like ChatGPT, that encapsulates everything, right? And that encapsulation creates an black box where we are getting answers, but we are not really sure how. Yes, you can use things like chain of thoughts to figure out that what thinking model went through, but how did it learn that thinking, right? For a ChatGPT model, the things that it has seen on the internet, that the earth is flat and the earth is round, has the equal, it's learned both of these things. And it's just about the probability, what it's gonna say based on the data that it has been trained on and the prompt that it has been asked. And it should be able to take complex action, and it should be deployed on omni-channel. So Turing test for enterprise search is just more than convincing that I'm talking to a human. It's all of these things combined, and maybe more depending upon the context that you're serving.